Hello guys, this is the second video of my channel. Today I am going to show you how to download Sublime Text. Working with Sublime Text will help us work with Python better. Sublime Text has three versions. Their names are Sublime Text 1, Sublime Text 2 and Sublime Text 3. Sublime Text 1 and Sublime Text 2 are older versions. So we don't need to download them, but I'm going to show you them. We will write here Sublime Text 1. When you open this link, the Sublime Text 1 version will be downloaded, but the newest version is Sublime Text 3. Before I show you Sublime Text 3, I will show you Sublime Text 2. It is better than Sublime Text 1, but not better than Sublime Text 3. I have already downloaded Sublime Text 3. It is better than Sublime Text 1 and Sublime Text 2. When you press Windows, the Sublime Text 3 will be downloaded into your computer. This is all for today. I hope you subscribed and liked my video, and bye bye.